Hello everyone, and welcome to my Fashion and Beauty Tips channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Dresses are the ultimate vacation essential. Explore celeb-inspired styles to pack for your next holiday wardrobe. If there's one outfit we'd advise you to pack when you are planning a vacation, it will have to be a dress. Too many praises have been sung about co-ord sets which are functional, showy, and can be styled in multiple ways, and can also be practical. But they can't match the effortless glamour of a dressy dress. If you think about it, you can layer a dress with a denim jacket or shacket and turn it into a casual look. You can wear it with heels when the occasion is more formal, or wear it with sneakers when you have to be on your feet roaming a new city all day. Dresses on a vacation are underrated, and we're here to change that. If you're seeking some inspiration on the kinds of dresses to pack for a holiday, we have some celebrity-led ideas to start you off. A halter neck dress. Halter neck is back in style, and a holiday is the perfect time to experiment with it. Kira Advani's green dress with cutouts can be reserved for a day out when you need to zhuzh things up. This is perfect for tropical destinations. A floral day dress. If your vacation involves being touristy, read, lots of sightseeing and walking around, you need a day dress that is comfortable yet stylish. Janhai Kapoor's dress features a corset top that makes it extra dressy, and is a great option for those who don't like things plain. A textbook bodycon dress. Ananya Panduri proves that even a simple bodycon dress can be styled up to wear to a fine dine restaurant for dinner. A solid colored number from a H&M or Massimo Dutti can be worn for a low-key evening night out. A backless dress. Shavari's dress from ISP has elements of swimwear, bodycon, and is backless, too, which is perfect for a glamorous vacation dress. This one dress is so multifarious, it can take you from day to evening to night with the addition of some stylish accessories. So what do you guys think about this update? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like my videos, please press like and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time.